So in this episode, we'll be changing just one chord from what we did in the first part of this song, Your Alpha and Omega. In the first part we did we went to the Sol chord, but I decided to change it because Your Alpha and Omega at the beginning is sad, like it's minor, it's not major. So instead of using the Sol chord to harmonize the Re, we are using the Re chord to harmonize the Re because the Sol is the major and the Re is the minor chord, right? So we do this instead. Instead of, so you're doing, you can add this. So and then go to the next chord. The Mi with the Do chord on top. Then the Fa chord. So this chord remains the same. Last week we did it like this, but you can add this if you want to. Sol, La, Fa. So you can either play just this, but the La is the Fa chord with the La at the top, then Fa. This is harmonizing it. Back to your Re chord, Do chord, right? Sorry. Then you go to Mi, Do, Ti, Do, Re, Re, Do. So for the Mi, we go to our. Now the song ends with a La, Re, So, Do. So you are worthy to be praised. Do you understand? You are worthy to be praised. So we are going to you. The highest is Mi. You are. So the same chord, but we'll take away the E. Mi, Do. Now for the T, we go to the Re. You know it's La, Re, So, Do. So this is the Re chord. Re, La, Re. That's Re, La, Re. Harmonizing the T. Now, if I'm to play the full chord, it will be, hold on. But because it's too like muddy, like too much notes, I take the G away. Right? But I can now add it when I want to press the Do. Right? One more time.